Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to customize the Google Chrome toolbar on your desktop. So customizing the Google Chrome toolbar allows you to manage the buttons and shortcuts that appear next to the address bar. This can make it easier and faster to access the features you use most often. The specific options available for customizations may vary slightly depending on your versions of Chrome and whether you're using a desktop or mobile device. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is open up your Chrome browsers and then click. And then once you open up here at your Chrome browsers, and then you need to click the three dotted icon on the top right corners and then click. Then next step, then you need to scroll down and select the settings gear button here and then click. And then once you open up here at your Chrome settings, on left side navigation panel, then you need now to select this appearance and then click. And then on right side, then underneath here at appearance, then you need now to select or tap this customize your toolbar. So once you click this customize your toolbar, then another pop-up navigations panel settings here on the right corner. Then you can start now to customize your Chrome toolbar. So here at navigations, so we have home, forward, and new incognito. So if you want to enable or disable this home, then on right corner, then you can see this button here. Then we need to toggle this button on the right side. So it will enable also. Same with on the left corner, then you can see now this home button. And then on the next with the address bar here, the icon. So same with new incognito window. If you enable this button, then on the top right corner, you can see now this incognito icon here next to the address bar. So same with your Chrome. So we have also here Google Password Manager, payment methods, address and more, bookmarks, reading list, history, downloads, and delete browsing. So same procedure. So if you enable this button on the right corner, so if you enable this bookmark, then you can see now the icon here on the top right corner next to the address bar. Alright, so same with tools and actions. We have also here the print, search with Google Links, translate, QR code, cast, reading mode, copy link, send to your devices, task manager, and developer tools. So if you enable this button here, then you can see now on the top right corner the icon here. So it still depends on you how you arrange your Google Chrome toolbar, because all the settings you need are already here. All you have to do is to toggle the button on or off on the right corners. It depends on your preferences. Alright, so that's it guys. And thanks for watching. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorials.